Space is insane. Seriously, it's weirder than anything you've ever imagined. Today, I'm showing you some of the most insane facts about the universe. And trust me though, they'll blow your mind. Let's check them out. Oh, by the way guys, hi, this is Samuel. Now let's go and watch the video. Number 1, the red spot. Let's start with Jupiter, the true heavyweight of our solar system. If Earth were a marble, Jupiter would be a basketball. It's over 11 times wider than our planet, and more than 300 times as massive. But the real jaw dropper isn't just its size, it's what's happening on its surface. Take a look at the gray red spot. At first glance, it looks like a strange scar on the planet. But in reality though, it's a storm. But not just any storm though. The biggest storm known in our solar system. That's right. This swirling vortex is so enormous, you could drop the entire Earth inside it and still have space left over. To put it in perspective, the red spot's more than twice the width of our planet, stretching over 16,000 kilometers across. And here's the part that really blows my mind. This storm has been raging for at least 350 years, non-stop. While hurricanes on Earth might last for a few weeks at most, Jupiter's storms just keep spinning, century after century after century after century. I mean, just imagine a hurricane larger than Earth itself, raging endlessly, powered by the raw energy of a gas giant. That's what we're dealing with here. And this is just one feature of Jupiter. The planet itself is a scale of size we can barely even comprehend. Number 2, Diamond Planet. Somewhere out there in the galaxy, there's a planet made almost entirely of diamond. Astronomers call it 55 Cancri, but you might as well call it the ultimate jewel of the universe. It's about twice the size of Earth, yet nearly 8 times heavier, because its interior is loaded with carbon that's been compressed into solid diamond. Now here's where it gets crazy. This planet orbits so close to its star that a single year lasts just for 18 hours. That means if you lived there, you'd have a birthday every single day. But don't celebrate it too quickly. The surface temperature reaches over 2000 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to melt iron, and it makes the diamond landscape glow with fiery cracks. To put it in perspective, scientists estimate the diamond inside this planet could be worth more than $27 million. That's a number with 30 zeros. More money than has ever existed in human history. If you could somehow mine it, you'd crash the entire economy of Earth in an instant. It's the kind of place that makes Earth's jewelry stores look like pocket change. Number 3, weird planet. Okay, imagine this. You wake up on a planet, but wait, it's not round. It's a donut, like a massive Krispy Kreme floating in space. Step outside and the first thing you notice, the sunlight isn't creeping over the horizon. It's blasting straight through the hole in the middle, lighting everything up like some cosmic flashlight. You look up at the sky and your jaw drops, because you can actually see the other side of your own planet curving above you. Oceans, continents, maybe even clouds spinning around the ring. And the wind though, I mean, it's got to swirl in ways that make no sense. Sunsets, 2 at once, one on the outer edge and one shining through the hole. And here's why some scientists even came up with this idea. In theory, if a planet spun extremely fast, centrifugal forces could stretch it into a torus, basically a ring shape. The faster it spins, the more the planet wants to pull outward at the equator, creating that crazy donut geometry. Of course, gravity eventually wins, so it probably wouldn't last forever, but the math shows it could actually exist, at least temporarily. Still, a donut planet? Man, I'd move there in a heartbeat. Alright, now let me ask y'all, would you live on this giant donut planet? Because I would. Totally, I would. Yeah guys, that was the video. Thank you so much for watching it. If you want a part 2 or even more crazy content, stay tuned for more. There's a lot of things coming up, so thanks so much for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.